Here's how we replaced our whole house water sediment filter with a bigger one. Here's what it looked like before and after. This is our main intake. It goes into the tank and it comes up. And then it will go through the filtration system here. We turn this on. 50 micron stage. Then it goes into the 20 and 5. This is the bypass up here. And so I moved my small filter up to here in case we ever need to use the bypass. I at least have a 200 micron screen here to keep the major sediment out of our system. Let's get started. These are all the tools we used. First, make sure you turn off the water to the house. Then drain the tank and filters. Step 3, remove the metal clamps with a Dremel for any pipe you have to disconnect. Then it's time to remove the pipes. Blowtorch set on low can help. Step 5, assemble a new filter. Look at the dog. Cut the bypass pipes and add the smaller filter there. Or if you don't want to filter the bypass, just disconnect so you're taking off the pipes that connect the main line to the bypass. Look at the dog again. Install the new filter on your main line. You can heat the pipes to help and use a rubber mallet. Don't forget your clamps. Then mount it. It's easier with 2 people. Replace the pipes that connect to the main line and the bypass. If you added the smaller filter to the bypass, you'll have to shorten the connecting pipe there. If you didn't add it, then replace the top pipe with a longer one to accommodate the larger filter below. Reconnect the lines to the pressure tank. You might need to cut or replace some of the pipe here to accommodate the wider, taller new filter. Don't forget your clamps. Tighten all the clamps. My tool flashes blue when they are secure. Then just add the drain hose and you're done.